as we've said, listening is a really important part of the communication process. And this is largely because listening helps us to achieve all of our communication goals, including our physical goals, instrumental goals, relational goals, and identity goals. Listening is also important, however, in our academic, professional, and personal contexts. For example, in the academic world, poor listening skills might contribute to failing out of a class or out of school entirely. In the professional world, employees who have good listening skills are much more likely to get promoted. And in our personal contexts, in our relationships, we definitely shouldn't underestimate the power that listening can have in making our relational partners feel better. So let's talk about some of the main purposes of listening. These include focusing on the messages that are sent by other people, or focusing on the noises that are coming from our surroundings. So making sure that we are paying attention to those messages that other people are sending us, or just paying attention to noises around us that might cause us some danger or that might cause us to react in different ways. We can use listening to better our understanding of other people's communication. So the more that we listen, the more that we learn. We can use listening to critically evaluate other people's messages. We can use it to monitor nonverbal signals. We can also use listening to indicate that we are interested in something or paying attention to it. We can use listening to empathize with others and show them that we care. In other words, to engage in relational maintenance. And finally, we can use listening to engage in negotiation, dialogues, and other exchanges that result in a shared understanding or agreement on an issue. If we are negotiating with someone or trying to come to a shared understanding, that can't happen if we aren't listening to what everyone at the table is saying. So listening has a lot of really important purposes in our lives.